Here's a look at the E-mini S&P for Friday, May the 20th, 2011. At E-mini Day Trader, we always like to start our analysis looking at these market profiles. This one in particular also includes the overnight session, and that's this guy right here, including its volume profile. This one right here is what occurred today, and this is what occurred yesterday in the regular trading hours. So regular trading hours in the red, overnight session between them in the blue. We thought we would get some more follow-through. We got very little. As a matter of fact, we didn't get any. You can see here that the market closed here yesterday. Very little follow-through. But we also were expecting the possibility of a pullback and then another rally. Well, we did get the pullback. We really didn't get much of a rally. We did initially, and then the market sold off to close the day. So it did come down here early in the session, made a low in here, and then came all the way back up here, made a new high, and then sold off, and then made a new low. So really a volatile day in that sense. Not the individual bars, but just the way the market moved with new low, new high, new low. So do expect to see some more follow through that down. We've closed below 1331, which is an area acted as initially as support. As you can see, 1331 area was right here, which was the early low for the day. So this close below there really does suggest that the 18 to 19 area will likely get tested either Sunday evening or Monday. Areas below that we can take a look at that could possibly support the market would be in the 1316 area and then around 1310. So on the upside, the 44 area is still acting as resistance. We've had that for some time now. The market did probe a little bit above it back over here yesterday, and then above that would be about 1350. Taking a look here at the market profiles from the regular trading hours, we also use these in our intraday analysis. Here is our software, and you can see the trades that were set up today. We had a short trade here set up, a short trade here set up, and a long trade here set up. Now we did have that barrier that we had mentioned at 31. So our first trade here was triggered just above it, only 3 ticks above it. As a result, we did not take that trade. We then had a short trade triggered a little bit below it. We did take that trade. And then we had a trade later in the day right in here, which allowed us to take part in a bit of an up movement like that. So as a matter of fact, I've included in this email links to those two trades and how they evolved. So we only had 2 trades here. The first trade here did come down and reach our second objective. We're not filled on it, so we were stopped at break even on the second half of the position. The longer trade in here worked out nicely, and it hit both our first and second objective. And that was it. You can see the market came up here, made a new high, and then came down all the way here and actually made a new low for the day. So, these Fridays are somewhat a little different, and this kind of sell-off is kind of hard to read. And but the fact that it did close below 31, made a new low for the day, it does suggest that we're likely to get more of it come Sunday evening. So I think that's what we've got to be on guard of come Sunday evening and Monday. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great weekend. Any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@eminidaytrader.com.